बच्चे, have a look on illustration 8. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement of Ruchika Limited as on 31st March 2017. So beta, from the following information, first is credit balance overdraft as per cash book is given 25,000. So overdraft means negative balance. Credit balance as per cash book is given to you. So you will write it in the minus column. Second transaction, checks paid into the bank for collection 60,000. If we are paying any check into the bank, we are adding in the cash book. That means 60,000 we have added in the cash book. But checks of rupees 24,000 could only be collected in March. Checks of 24,000 could only be collected in March. So this is the transaction. They told you that 60,000 is added in the cash book, whereas only 24,000 is added in the passbook. What we will do now? We have to make them equal by changing the cash book. If the balance in cash book is given to you, you have to make changes in cash book. So the difference between the two is 36,000. If you will subtract 36,000 from cash book, it will be equal. 60 minus 36, 24,000, it will be equal. So these 36,000 you have to subtract from the cash book. Checks deposited but not collected by bank. Third one, बच्चे, a check of rupees 3,500 issued to a creditor was entered by mistake in cash book column, cash column. Beta, we have issued a check of rupees 3,500. If it is not given that it is not been cleared by the bank, so it will be, but we have not recorded in cash book bank column. You know that cash book is always having two columns. I told first day, cash column and bank column. If we have subtracted something but we have not written in bank column, we have written in cash column. We have not written means we will write now. From the bank column we have subtracted 3,500. We will rectify our mistake. Here from passbook it is done because we have given a check to someone and he must have gone to the bank for taking the payment. It is, if it is not given that he have not taken the payment, we will assume that he have taken the payment. We have not recorded in the bank column, we have recorded in the cash column. 3,500 will be subtracted. Payment not recorded in cash book. Fourth one, बच्चे, a check of rupees 10,000 issued on 22nd March was not presented for payment, whereas it was recorded twice in the cash book. But by mistake we have subtracted 10,000 two times. That we have given a check to someone, but it was not recorded. It was not cleared by the bank so far. It was not cleared by the bank so far. What we will do now? We have to change the cash book only. So we will add it back. 20,000 two times we will add it back. Check the whole line of the question you will write here. Next, बच्चे, a bill receivable for rupees 8,000 previously discounted with the bank had been dishonored and bank charges debited in the passbook 125. If we have recorded some bill and it was not cleared so far, means it is not collected by the bank, it is dishonored, and they have also debited 125 rupees from our bank account, but we don't know that this bill is not received and this bill is dishonored. So what we have to do, we will also subtract these two things, 8,000 and 125. We are dishonored and bank charges, 8,125. Last thing bache, in the cash book a bank charges of 150 was recorded twice, while another bank charges 40 was not recorded at all. We have recorded 150 twice. It was to be recorded once only. So what we will do, we will add it back. And of 40 rupees bank charges we have not recorded at all, we will subtract that. We have recorded one bank charges in cash book twice, two times. It was to be recorded once only. It will be added back. And 40 rupees given by the bank charges we have not recorded, so we will subtract that. 150 we will add because we have twice written, and 40 we will subtract. The total of this side will be 0150 and this side will be more, 72665. So from the total of minus we will subtract the positive answer. So answer will be in minus 52515, and here we will write debit balance as per passbook. You just have to record the changes in cash book according to passbook. Any doubt?